amazing place to meet other professionals from around the world.
What the new trends in the book industry are.
New solutions, new opportunities.
A nice environment where to spend time with peers and colleagues and share
what the future is going to bring.
Every year is still new.
People who come specifically to sit together and think and talk.
Book industry, innovation, AI and development trends are all going to come together.
Important themes highlighted, so like accessibility.
We have talked about audio, we have done a benchmark with the media sector, we have invited a Korean market.
This year is the 10th anniversary of Readmagine.
And it always stimulates you for new ideas.
I really like the format first.
And it has a very nice vibe, everyone's very friendly.
It's about participating, it's about taking part in the workshops.
Immediate possibility to come into an exchange.
Perfect choice of experts that are united here.
It's so good to be surrounded by people that love books.
With a lot of good friends.
If you're a professional, especially on the digital side of things, it's something you cannot miss.